Hi everyone, this is Harish Puppala. I am an assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering at SRM University-AP. In our department, due emphasis is given to the theory along with the practical components. Nearly 25% of all the courses in our curriculum is blended either with a project or a practical component where student gets hands-on experience to what is being taught in the classroom. We also ensure that students are taken to various field visits in the nearby construction sites, and SRM University being located in the heart of Amaravati, the capital of Andhra Pradesh, which is being built now, we do get a lot of opportunities to take our students to gain practical exposure at various levels of construction, right from foundation to the architectural point of view. In our department, students do get experience on various equipment, right from the conventional equipment to the high-end instruments. For example, auto level, dumpy level, the conventional tools that students use and which are not being used in the site as of today, as the technology has taken a leap. And we do train our students using the advanced equipment like ground penetration radar, drones, and various other geospatial techniques, where students by the end of their fourth year, they can be industry-ready graduates where they can apply the knowledge that they've learned in the college to the construction sites. And we do have various components as a part of the curriculum to promote research. IDP project is one such example where students in the beginning of their semesters, they try to apply knowledge that is gained from various departments to address one specific problem that has a societal relevance. And along with IDP, we do have various other courses which are primarily of research flavor, where students pick up a specific problem, they work on it for a complete semester to draw some meaningful conclusion. And not just leaving there, if the student is interested, we do promote him to continue for the same project by providing seed funding. And also the major findings of that project could be presented at various conferences that happen at a national and international level. And the funding for that would be provided by the SRM University-AP so that the student can be supported for all the things that it takes to present this.